2015 is a different because of the Narendra Modi has begun this Gujarat Vibrant Summit for last many years, and now he has come as a Prime Minister of India. And the dream of his for the vibrancy in Gujarat, it now translates into the country and the nation. And we have seen that the 100 country has participated, which has never happened in this Gujarat. And we are now mapping in the global area.
From Reliance perspective, as Mr. Mukesh Ambani was saying, we could expect around a lakh crore of investment in the next 18 months. 4G is going to be a next big launch coming from Reliance stable. Would it be the game changer in the telecom sector?
Yeah, definitely. When we are, if you remember, people are remembering Dr. Kurian for making the white revolution, that is a milk. And I am saying the same way that after America and Singapore, the Reliance Group for 4G, it's going to be a big change for the Nara of the Prime Minister of Digital India. It make a lot of change the countrywide in the 4G.
We have seen certain soft launches happening during Pravasi Bharti and also now during Vibrant Gujarat of 4G. Any timeline is 2015 where we could see a pan-India rollout? Any timeline that you like to put?
Definitely, very near few months you will see definitely. This Wi-Fi we have given as a pilot project, and you will see the commissioning of 4G is going to be a completely changed scenario in the digital India.
And my last question, sir, Mukesh Bhai has vehemently said that going forward, Reliance would want to be a consumer-driven, 50% revenue should come from consumer-driven business like retail, 4G.
That's true.
In that sense, how are you looking at Reliance, say from 3 to 5 years? Would Reliance in more than one way want to change the tag of a pure manufacturing company and a hub?
No, the process is already begun. If you see the Reliance Retail, we have in the Reliance Retail in so many sectors, in jewelry, in footprints, in apparels, in green vegetables and everything. So, and even in the specs also, we have already started in the retail business. And now 4G is also a consumer business. So, not only, which Mukesh Bhai said rightly, that not only a manufacturing, but also the trading.
And my last question, sir, Reliance being one of the largest corporates in India, do you think things have started finally changing at the ground level? Not only the mood of optimism is there, but things have started changing when it comes to manufacturing or the overall economic activity at the ground level?
Yes, it is happening, already started, because the Prime Minister has given mandate immediately that we want to continue to go and growth for India to save our foreign exchange, particularly when we are buying gold, when we are buying the telecom instrument, like whether you are going for Apple phone or Nokia phone or Samsung phone. We are purchasing in rupees, but nobody realizes that we are wasting the foreign exchange. So, and even in the defense side, the Prime Minister rightly invited them 40%, 50 or 45% outsider to invest in India. It shows the interest that how we can save our foreign exchange to strengthen India.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.